Welcome to English Talk Center.
Good morning.
Good morning. I feel fresh today.
I feel happy too. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. I feel relaxed.
That is good. The morning feels peaceful.
Yes, the house is quiet. I like this feeling.
Today is Saturday.
Saturday always makes me feel good.
Me too. No work pressure. I feel free.
What should we do today?
I think we should clean the house.
That is a good idea. I feel motivated.
Cleaning makes the house feel comfortable.
Yes, a clean house makes me feel calm.
When the house is clean, I feel organized.
I feel safe and happy in a clean house.
Cleaning also helps our mind.
Yes, it removes stress. I feel light.
I like doing things together.
Me too. Together feels better. Let's make a simple plan.
Okay, I feel ready.
You can clean the living room.
That sounds good. I feel confident.
I will clean the kitchen.
Thank you. I feel grateful.
No problem. We are a team.
Yes. Teamwork makes me feel strong. Let's start now.
Yes, let's clean slowly.
The living room looks messy.
The kitchen is also dirty.
That is okay. We can fix it.
Yes, step by step.
I am moving the chairs.
Be careful.
I feel focused.
I like how you clean.
Thank you. That makes me feel proud.
I am wiping the counter.
The house already feels better.
I am washing the dishes.
Do you need help?
Yes, please. I feel thankful.
I will dry the plates.
Thank you. I feel supported.
Helping you makes me feel useful.
Oh no, I dropped a plate.
Are you okay?
Yes, but I feel sorry.
It's okay. Accidents happen.
Thank you. I feel relieved.
Let's clean it safely.
I feel careful now.
Are you tired?
A little, but I feel happy.
Me too. Cleaning together feels nice.
It feels like quality time.
Yes, I feel connected with you.
That makes me feel loved. Let's take a short break.
Good idea. I feel thirsty.
Here is some water.
Thank you. I feel refreshed.
Me too. I feel energized.
Breaks are important. Look at the living room.
It looks clean and bright.
I feel satisfied.
I feel proud of us.
We did a good job.
We should clean like this every week.
Yes, good habits make life easy.
Cleaning keeps the house healthy.
And it keeps us calm.
I like this routine.
Me too. It feels balanced.
You know, cleaning today makes me feel very light. Before cleaning, my mind felt a little heavy.
I understand. When the house is messy, I feel stressed. When it is clean, I feel peaceful.
Yes, I feel the same. A clean space makes my heart feel calm.
Working together also helps. I do not feel alone when we clean together.
That makes me feel safe and supported.
Talking with you while cleaning makes me feel connected.
I like these quiet moments. They make me feel happy inside.
Me too. Simple things can bring big happiness. Our daily routine is very busy.
Yes, sometimes I feel very busy and tired.
But days like today feel slow and nice.
Cleaning together feels like a small break from life.
I agree. It helps me feel balanced.
When we follow a routine, life feels easier.
Yes, a simple routine makes me feel organized.
I like waking up early, cleaning, and then resting.
That sounds perfect. It makes me feel comfortable.
I hope we can keep this habit.
We will. I feel confident about that.
Thank you for helping me today.
Thank you too. I feel appreciated when you say that.
Helping each other shows respect.
Yes, respect makes a relationship strong.
When you help me, I feel valued.
When you notice my effort, I feel proud.
Small actions matter a lot.
They do. Support does not need big words.
Just being there is enough.
I agree. I feel lucky to have you.
I feel grateful, too.
The house is clean and quiet now.
Yes, it feels very peaceful.
I feel relaxed in this clean space.
Me too. My mind feels clear.
Moments like this are important.
Yes, they help us slow down.
I am thankful for today.
I am thankful too.
Cleaning together gave me joy.
It gave me comfort.
Let's enjoy this calm time.
Yes, simple life feels beautiful.
I feel content.
So do I. Now let's rest.
Yes, we deserve it.
Thank you for today.
Thank you, too.
I love our simple life.
Me too. I feel grateful.
Cleaning together is happiness.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.